Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Pipedrive for deal stage workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Pipedrive, open your web browser and go to the Pipedrive website. Click on the sign up button located on the home page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Create a strong password for your new account. Confirm your password by typing it again in the provided field. Click the next button to continue. Next, Pipedrive will ask for basic information about your organization. Fill in your company name and the number of employees. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Now, you'll need to set up your first pipeline. Choose a name for your pipeline that reflects your sales process. Next, you will see default deal stages set up by Pipedrive. Feel free to customize these stages according to your needs. To edit a stage, click on the stage name and rename it. You can add new stages by clicking on the Add Stage button. Once your pipeline is set up, click Save Changes. Now, let's create your first deal. Click on the Deals tab in the top navigation bar. In the Deals view, click Add Deal. Enter the details of the deal, including the deal title, value, and stage. Assign the deal to a specific person on your team if needed. Click Save to add the deal to your pipeline. To automate workflows, navigate to the Automations tab in the Settings menu. Click on the Create Automation button. Choose a trigger that will start your automation, like when a deal reaches a specific stage. Select an action that you want to happen as a result of this trigger. Customize the conditions for your automation if necessary. Once you are satisfied, click Save to activate your automation. Now your deal stage workflows are set up and ready to use. Feel free to explore other features in Pipedrive to enhance your experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.